Hoverboat. Навіть таке можливо. Тут ти стоїш на кораблику напроти Біг Бена. Восени. Тобі хочеться молитися, Господи, дай, щоб та хмаринка не закрила то сонечко. Для того, щоб цей тур річечкою, Темзою був освітлений сонечком, а не дощиком змочений. Амінь. Англія відома як морська держава. Я думаю, що річкова також. Я це вирішив спробувати на власній шкурі. Ризикнути осіннього дня, проплести на такому кораблику по річці Темзі. Тоді, коли сонце виглядає із-за хмар, буквально на хвилину-другу, і потім знову дощ. Це ризикована справа, але можливо воно того варте, тому що я це пробував в Лондоні, в Парижі робити, в Празі, ще в кількох містах Європи, щоб Лондон залишити без такої можливості, це було б образити Лондон. Тому я не хочу ображати Лондон і разом з цим самого себе. Тому пора плавати по Темзі. Ось такий сонячний ефект, поки сонце виглядає і обігріває Біг Бен. А щойно цього не було. І за хвилину цього може знову не бути. Тому що Британія знана як дощова країна. В цьому я вже переконався за недовгий час, кілька разів. Дорогі мої однокласники, привіт вам із Лондона. London is the capital of Great Britain. Всі це ми вчили колись у школі. Не знаю, чи вам доводиться тут часто побувати, але тим не менше я радий передати привіт від Біг Бена у Лондоні, а також від цього колеса, що позаду мене, і прокататися від вашого імені по річці Темзі на човнику такому екскурсійному. І можливо з часом це розказати вам, зустрітися з вами і подякувати, що ми разом вчилися, що нас Галина Васильівна вчила англійською мовою. Ось ще один кораблик відправляється, і на схожому я також буду плисти. Greetings from London. Ми почали плисти за цим корабликом.
What we can do for you folks on the way down to Greenwich, I can try my best and point out these places to you. Tour guides on these boats, we are just crew members, so if I make any mistakes, and from the top in one of them you can see 25 miles in all directions. Since the eye is open, you can do lots of different things, chocolate tastings, wine tastings, and you can even get married on the London Eye. If you'd like to today, folks, you might get married here. I would not recommend it though, folks. Marriage, that is. That is something that you can do in the West End of London. And in front of us, the first bridge we passed beneath, Charing Cross Railway Bridge. There you go, 5 years of good luck. There's another bridge the other side, if you didn't get away. We always recommend it. 1819 by a very grateful Egyptian government, and that was for the defeat of Napoleon by Nelson at the Battle of the River Nile. It's commonly known on the Thames as the Ladies' Bridge. It was built during the First and Second World Wars by the ladies of London. Whilst the men was away fighting for king and country, the ladies of London that was left at home, they built the Waterloo Road Bridge. And Waterloo Bridge to be their London house. Back over to our right on the south bank, the concrete building with the illuminated sign. This is our National Theatre, and this building is voted every single year by this country's leading architects as being the oldest building. That's the HQS Wellington, and the Wellingtons served throughout the Second World War for the Royal New Zealand Navy. At the end of the war, she was decommissioned and she was given anywhere in the world, measures at only 1 square mile. Back onto the south bank to look at the tower coming out of the top. The words OXO can be seen. It's also where they used to make the world's most famous gravy granule stock. No longer a meat factory, as you can see. The bottom half to our left, just behind the cranes, the white building with the sloping roof. This is the old City of London School for Boys. This was the first public school in the city square mile. The large dome and golden cross, that's St Paul's Cathedral. St Paul's was completed in 1710. Either side of us, the red St Paul column you can see, these are all that remain from the St Paul's Steam Railway Bridge. And this bridge carried the first steam train across the Thames in London. The top part, it's completely free to go in this art gallery today. And if you are a fan of modern art, it's a wonderful place to go. Went to school before he became Harry Potter in the movies. It's also where they're training many of those fine young gentlemen. They're going to be Prime Ministers of this country and Members of Parliament in a few years. It's nicknamed by the Londoners the Wibbly Wobbly Bridge. When this bridge was opened, it was designed to sway gently as people walked across it. The day the bridge opened, 7,000 people rushed across the bridge at the same time. The bridge began to wobble. It wobbled so much that people walking across it literally became unwell, and some people even fell. The bridge was closed for a further 18 times.
Екскурсовод розказує все у такій жартівливій формі, на що скільки потратили
This
грошей.
is a replica to the Globe Playhouse of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare put on 17 of his first nights in the original Globe. You can pay as little as £10 over there in the months of summer. Through the bridge over to our right, a little bit further down, in the right-hand corner of the next bridge, is a lovely Thameside pub coming up. It's got red window frames. It's got to London Borough Market there to our right. So it's a lovely part of London over there to our right, especially in the winter months coming up to Christmas. Lots of Christmas markets over there. This next bridge is Cannon Street Bridge. It's the railway bridge. The station's on our left in the city of London. As we come through, look forward towards Pickford's Wharf to our right. Drake had a crew of 80 men. The replica to our right has sailed the world twice, once more than the original, taking the same routes that Drake took. And very shortly to our right, this gap between the buildings here, you're going to see the 6th to 12th century. Buried in the grounds of Southwark Cathedral is Shakespeare. This next bridge is the London Road Bridge, and this is what experts do believe to be the 5th London bridge to span this site in nearly 2,000 years. The first one built by the Romans. If you want to get a nice photo, folks, point your cameras to our left here. Look on the support of the bridge, carved into the stone, the words London Bridge. And as we keep looking to our left, you can very shortly see the golden top piece to the monument of the Great Fire of London of 1666. Lay the monument down in an easterly direction, it will pinpoint the exact spot. So we have 2 warships to our right, the one furthest away from us on the right, HMS Belfast. The Belfast was the largest of them, is well worth a visit. We often get lots of different warships from around the world, like this one here to our right, coming into London. They use the Belfast as a mooring term. Snellius has come into London for the weekend on a courtesy visit. Be away, as I say, probably Sunday night. The oldest part of the tower was built in 1078 by King William I. The tower took 400 years to construct and execution. Just ahead of us, a lovely photo opportunity, Tower Bridge with the London bus going across the bridge at the same time. Tower Bridge was opened on June the 30th, 1894. It's commonly known as the gateway to the City of London, and London's newest tourist attraction is actually inside Tower Bridge. It's called Tower Bridge Experience. Up there. They've got a very good museum at Tower Bridge up there. And they've also installed these glass floorings
Greetings from London.
underneath you, so you can get It's quite interesting doing that. It's also quite interesting from down here, looking up there on a nice clear day, if you know what I mean. There's wedding reception happening. It was one of the most horrific things I've ever seen in my life. Circular cruise ticket, or a golden tours ticket, or you're on the hour circular cruise from Westminster, this is where you change boats. If you want the hour cruise back to Westminster, make sure you've got all your personal belongings with you. Try not to leave anything behind that might spoil your day. You'll be very surprised as to the things we find left on board these boats. Please take them home with you.
Нарешті знову сонечко. І дякую Богу. Він почув мою молитву і не було дощу. Цих півгодини, може трошки більше. Екскурсія була захоплююча. Екскурсовод розмовляв такою гумористичною мовою, пояснюючи про все.
Coming down to Greenwich with us, folks. I will continue with the commentary. So as I say, folks, just try and remain in your seats until we're saying
Tower Bridge in London. It's a famous place to visit and enjoy. In the middle of October. Отже, тур у Темзі видався благополучно, чудово. Чому я кажу благополучно? Тому що міг просто піти дощ в будь-яку хвилину, що відбувалося протягом попередньої години кілька разів. Бог почув мої молитви і дощу не сталося. Я можу виходити пошвидше, бо він може все-таки статися. Чого добре. Ось на такому кораблику я плавав по Темзі в центральній частині Лондона. Він пливе до Грінвіча. Я вже там бував. А зараз маю оглянути іншу частину міста, поки ще дощу немає. Я дякую і не перестану дякувати Богу за можливості, котрі він мені подарував побувати, побачити, відкрити для себе, насолодитися, поцікавитися, вивчити. Я це ніколи не приписую собі, що я такий багатий чи важливий, чи організований. Але я завжди дякую Богу за такі можливості, які він дає. А особливо ті, котрі пов'язані із знанням, використанням англійської мови в країнах, де нею розмовляють. Це є здійснення мрії дитинства, юності, молодості. Мені вже 45. Але я це ще раз і ще раз для себе усвідомив. Я про це скажу, не промовчу. Тому що я дякую Богу за такі